Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we're continuing our series through which you will learn how to read the glorious Quran. In this lesson, we're going to delve further into sukoon. We've covered in a previous video that sukoon simply means the absence of a harakah. Whenever we see a sukoon, or whenever we don't see a sukoon, it means the letter has a sukoon. And by that I mean it doesn't have any vowels on it. So no fatha, no kasra, no dhamma, no fathatan, no dhammatan, no kasratan. So if a letter has a sukoon on it, it just makes its original sound. So for example, in one of the first lessons, we covered that seen makes a s sound, or ha makes a h sound, ta makes a t sound. We've covered these in previous videos. Whenever a letter has a sukoon on it, it just makes its normal sound. It's only when they have fatha, dhamma, kasra on them, vowels, that they make ba, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, sa, su, si. Without them, without the vowels, it just makes its original sound. S, d, k, l, m, n, h, u, f. So let's delve right into the lesson. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah, amma ba'd. For today's lesson, there is one key thing that I want you to take. There are 5 special letters in Arabic, and whenever one of these 5 letters has a sukoon on them, we do a very special tajwid rule, which is called qalqala. We bounce them. These are bouncing letters. So whenever one of these 5 letters, qaf, ta, ba, Jim, Dal, has a sukoon on it, we have to bounce it. These are very special bouncing letters. So we'll start this lesson by looking at those 5 special qalqala letters first. So just remember Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Or an easier way to remember them is Qutbu Jaddin, Qutbu Jaddin, Qutbu Jaddin, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal, Qutbu Jaddin. So we will start this lesson by focusing on those first, and then we'll have a look at the rest. So we have Hamza, Fatha, Ba, Ab, A, B, B, B. Can you hear the bounce? This is the special qalqala rule. So when I'm bouncing it, just remember I'm not putting a fatha on it. I'm not putting a dhamma on it, nor am I putting a kasra on it. I'm just bouncing it. Ab, ab, ab. So we have Hamza, Fatha, Ba, Ab. Hamza, Kasra, Bi, Ib, Ib, Ib. Not Iba, not Ibu, not Ibi. It's not Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra. It's just a special bounce. It's an echoing sound. Ib, Ab, Ib, Ub. Now we have Hamza, Dhamma, Ba, Ub, Ub, Ub. So the green letters, these Ba, Jim, Dal and Ta, are the qalqala letters, the echoing letters. There is Qaf as well. It's just the author has not mentioned it on this page. So we'll jump to the Jim. Hamza, Fatha, Jim, Aj, Aj, Aj. Hamza, Kasra, Jim, Ij, Ij, Ij. Hamza, Dhamma, Jim, Uj, Uj, Uj. Can you notice I'm bouncing it? Ab, Aj. So now we move on to the third example, the Dal. Hamza, Fatha, Dal, Ad. Hamza, Kasra, Dal, Id. Hamza, Dhamma, Dal, Ud. Now we'll move on to the Ta. Hamza, Fatha, Ta, At. Hamza, Kasra, Ta, It. Hamza, Dhamma, Ta, Ut. Qaf has not been included by the author in this page, but if we were to still say it, it will be Hamza, Fatha, Qaf, Aqo. Hamza, Kasra, Qaf, Iqo. Hamza, Dhamma, Qaf, Uqo, Aqo, Iqo, Uqo. And now we'll proceed with the rest of the lesson. Hamza, Fatha, Ta, أت. همزة كسرة تا إت. همزة ضمة تا أت. همزة فتحة ثا أث. همزة كسرة ثا إث. همزة ضمة ثا أث. As you can see, it's just making its original sound. Now that there's no fatha, dhamma, kasra, kasratan, fathatan, dhammatan, no vowels on the letters, they're just making their original sounds. For example, t, th, s, l, n. Hamza, fatha, ha, ah. Hamza, kasra, ha, ih. Hamza, dhamma, ha, أح. همزة فتحة خا أخ. همزة كسرة خا إخ. همزة ضمة خا أخ. We've covered the dal, ad, id, ud. So can you hear the difference between the special bouncing letters ad, ud, id and the non-bouncing letters ah, oh, ih? We're not saying ah, oh, إح. There's no bounce in those. Only قاف, طا, با, جيم and دال, the 5 special bouncing letters, have the bouncing sound. قطب جد. همزة فتحة ذال أذ. همزة كسرة ذال إذ. همزة ضمة ذال أذ. So now that I've read half the page with spelling, as usual, now I will read the rest of it without spelling. So I will read it and you read after me, or you read it before me, pause the video and then compare your reading with mine, inshallah. Ar, iz, ur, az, iz, uz, as, is, us, ash, ish, ush, as, is, us, ad, id, ud, ato, إط, أط, أظ, إظ, أظ. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.